Hi, my name is Matthias, and in this video I will delve into the significance of the will phase in the GROW model. Whether you are an experienced coach or just starting out, there are 5 critical aspects that are often overlooked but are crucial to effectively manage the will phase to help your clients achieve their desired outcomes. With a focus on these aspects, you can guide your clients towards realizing their full potential. So let's get ready to take your GROW model knowledge to the next level, and let's begin. Hi coaches, I'm Matthias, and today we are diving into the will phase of the GROW model. Are you ready to help your clients turn their vision into reality? Because that's exactly what the will phase is all about. The will phase is where your clients take the solution they have chosen in the options phase and turn it into a plan of action. This is where the real work for them begins after the session and where you can really make a difference as a coach. Let's explore the 5 crucial aspects of the will phase that you need to keep in mind to make the most of this phase for your clients. First and foremost, it's all about ownership. Encourage your clients to fully commit to their chosen solution and remind them that this is their plan, not yours. Emphasize also that success is achieved through action, not just thought. Let them again imagine what reaching the goal means to them by asking, for example, what's in for you when you have achieved the goal. Secondly, have your clients create a step-by-step plan. Ask questions like, what are the specific steps you need to take achieving your goal? And what resources do you need to make this plan a reality? Encourage them to think through every detail and be as specific as possible. Thirdly, help your clients to identify and overcome remaining obstacles. No plan is perfect, and therefore there will be challenges along the way. Ask your clients, for example, what challenges do you anticipate? And how will you overcome them? And what could be in your way turning out the first steps? Hey, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please boop the like button to help it reach more people who could also benefit from it. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Fourthly, hold your clients accountable. Ask them to set deadlines for each step in their plan. You may use wisdom with hindsight, for example, so that they can move backwards from the future to the present. Number 5, and finally, check your client's commitment. Simply ask, for example, when do you start? If the answer isn't now or tomorrow or any specific day like next Wednesday, then ask what's holding you up starting earlier. You also can use scaling here. Ask on a scale of 1 to 10, how definite is it that you will turn out the next step tomorrow, Wednesday, Monday, next week, depending on their stated starting point. If the answer is below 8, ask what do you need to make it a 10? Otherwise, congratulations, you helped your clients a significant step forward in achieving their goals. Coaches, by keeping these 5 points in mind, you will be able to skillfully guide your clients through the will phase of the GROW model. Remember, this is where the wheels hit the ground and where you can help your clients turn their vision into reality, into their reality. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. My name is Matthias, and I see you back soon here on WhoCoaches. This is coaching.